Kurtis is installing our ceiling fan. For me, going up in the ladder and holding those things would not be very wise. No, I don't. I've been invited to do that. In particular, partner with companies that want to sell their products.
Oh.
Buttoning it up.
Right.
Did you want to say hello? Pretty soon we're going to have the ceiling fan going and you can be in here. So this is the reworked drain for the toilet and rerouting of the water line to accommodate the proper position of the toilet drain. Well, I just hope it works. We won't know until the floor's closed and the toilet's mounted and we flush it. Well, that looks pretty. So pretty soon we're going to launch the switch and see if it works. Remote control. There it goes. First turns. I can feel it from here. All right. Look at that. It's actually blowing things around. This even has a dimmer. Well, that's a huge addition to our conversion of our garage. So Kurtis has taken care of all of the, what do you call that, trim. Trim is used kind of as a description of adding the light switches, the covers, and any sort of electrical devices that were part of the original order. We decided to go with white. Everything's bright in this room, and so we're sticking with white. New door coming soon.
Nice.
Can you feel the breeze a little bit already?
Yep. Hi, Sky.
This guy wants to know what's going on.
Hold to down. I don't know if you're doing that.